Ito. Lalabas na kami. Okay, may lakad kami ngayon. Come on. Come on. Ayan, nag-iis na sa labas. Oh. Kapal. Oh, sa pool na naman kami ngayon. Ilak mo yung susi. Ay, ano, let's go. It's snowing. Ayun, kapal, oh. Yan, nako, ang kakapal. Start na naman ang snow dito sa amin. Ayan, oh. Oh, kapal ng snowflakes. Get inside now. Quick, quick. Go, quick here. Go, quick. Go. Whew. Kapal. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Grabe. Kapal na snow. Whew. Oh, kapal ka agad. Grabe. Ayan, lalaki, oh. Yung sa sa dabit ko. Say hi, Julian. Grabe, kakapal. Ay! It's thick. Grabe, oh. Kakapal, oh. Yar.
You guys have winter jackets.
You need to go and get some.
I don't have one.
You have. You wanna go and grab one?
Can you go get? I don't know where it is.
May, kuhanan mo daw si Jillian ng winter jacket niya.
Kapal. Oh, grabe. Yan, wiper ko lang yan ng ilang minuto. Kapal ulit yan. Oh, grabe, kapal. Look at this, Jillian. So if you're going to use winter jacket, you will get wet. I told you it's snowing. Ayan, oh. Kapal, tatakpan ka agad.